Good day everyone, Uncle Clyde here once more. So in my menu today will be curry potato. As you see I have here, I will going to go and peel them out. I'm starting by peeling them and then I will see after my ingredients and whatever. I'm ready to put all in the pot and put the ingredients and then the potato, everything. Curry potato. I'll leave the pot hot up a little bit and then I'll put the ingredients. A little 2 minutes. Okay, here I go. I'll put the onion first. Let the onion fry up a little bit to smell the aroma. Now I'll put in the curry. Garlic. Pimento. Of course, shadow benny. Alright. See how it's cooking up? Getting the right color. You know, curry have to well cook, otherwise it could purge you. So you have to be very, very careful with that. So now I will check the curry, make sure it cook up good, and then I'll add the potato to it. See? Everything boiling up there, nice, cooking up. You must cook curry, otherwise problem. So now I'm ready to put the potato. Everything gets its color there now, so you don't need to add all the water to it. I'll leave it boil up. So it's loving the house all the time. Okay, so now I'll check the potato and see how it's going. As you see, it's boiling up, thing going nice. Loving the house. I'll just add a little pinch of salt to it. Not much. So there now, this potato good to go. Loving the house.